Hello and welcome to English with LJ. I create content that is designed to help you improve your English and take you to the next level, regardless of what level that might be, whether it's A1, B1, or even C1. Now, in this video, we are going to look and we're going to test your English. We're going to put your English to the test. And we're going to look at odd word out. Now, odd word out means that basically it's different than the others. I'm going to give you a list, or I'm going to read you 5 words. Now, they will come up on screen so you can read along. There's going to be 5 words. One of those is different than the others for any specific reason. Now, I will give you what word is the odd word out, but I'm not going to tell you why. Can you figure out why that word is different than the other words? Maybe you can put it into the comments. Now, if you need help with that, go to the comments and see if somebody has answered. Or you can send me a message. You leave a comment and say that you don't know, and I will respond and I will help you figure out why that word is different. What I'll do is I'll give you the 5 words. I'll give you some time to be able to figure it out, and then I'll give you the answer. Now, if you need more time to figure out which word is the odd word out, just press pause and then press play when you are ready to move on. So, let's go. Question 1. Apple, banana, carrot, orange, and pear. So here we have 5 words, and you're getting to listen and read at the same time. So you're listening to English, you're reading English, and then you're trying to figure out the answer as well. Apple, banana, carrot, orange, and pear. And the answer is carrot. Now, do you know why carrot is the odd word out? Maybe leave a comment in the comments, or if you just know and you'd like to keep it, and you don't want to make a comment, that's fine. Just see whether you can understand why carrot is the odd word out. Question 2. Big, large, huge, massive, tiny. Big, large, huge, massive, tiny. And the odd word out there is tiny. Question 3. Fast, go, quick, rapid, slow. Fast, go, quick, rapid, slow. The odd word out there is go. Now, this one is actually quite a tricky one, so figure out if you can understand why go is the incorrect word. Question 4. Circle, square, oval, right, triangle. Circle, square, oval, right, triangle. And the odd word out there is right. Question 5. Chair, sofa, stool, bench, table. Chair, sofa, stool, bench, table. And the odd one out is table. Question number 6. Knife, island, wrist, twin, receipt. Knife, island, wrist, twin, receipt. This one is a little bit more tricky. You have to think about this one. Which is the odd word out? The odd word out is twin. Now, can you figure out why twin is the incorrect or is the odd word out here? Question number 7. Wall, change, paint, cook, and work. Wall, change, paint, cook, and work. The odd word out here is wall. The odd word out here is wall. Question number 8. Ladder, plant, stairs, mountain, tree. Ladder, plant, stairs, mountain, tree. See if you can figure out which is the odd word out and why. The odd word out is plant. Now, why is plant the odd word out? Question number 9. Floor, wall, ceiling, roof, garden. Floor, wall, ceiling, roof, garden. Garden is the odd word out. Question 10. Wheel, door, engine, boot, and road. Wheel, door, engine, boot, road. Road is the odd word out. Question 11. Teacher, doctor, student, pilot, engineer. Teacher, doctor, student, pilot, engineer. The odd word out here is student. Can you figure out why student is the odd word out? Feet, mice, teeth, nose, children. Feet, mice, teeth, nose, children. Which is the odd word out? The answer is nose. Nose is the odd word out. How did you get on? Did you get all 12 correct? Were you able to figure out the reason for the odd word out? Not just were you able to get the odd word, but you know the reason why, the specific reason. Leave a message in the comments. If there's a video that you would like me to create, if there's a subject you want me to cover, if there's something you want me to teach, let me know, and I'll try and get that video done. Just put something in the comments and I'll try and get to that as well. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and it be help you be kept up to date with future videos as and when I create them. I do have a Patreon. It's available in the descriptions. Let me know if it's something you're interested in. Go to my Patreon channel. There are 3 different levels. There is a lot of material available on Patreon. Tests, study material, all different types of things to help you improve your English. I also have an English course that is available on Amazon. There's a small fee, but you can download it in an ebook. It's a course to take you from A1 to A2, or cement your level at A2, going over all the foundations and the fundamentals of basic English. It's available, like I say, available on Amazon, but it's free in Patreon as well. So on all 3 levels of Patreon, it is free. So if you join Patreon, you can have access to that book. Thank you very much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And like I say, if there's anything that you would like me to cover, let me know, and I will try to create a video to help you improve your English. That's what I'm here for. I'd like to help you improve. So if there's something you want to improve on, let me know. If you would like me to do something different in the videos, let me know, and I will try and to help.